Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we've done a video just on train horns. It's been rail fanning or chasing trains, and well, I figured we'd change it up a little bit. Today we're going to talk about this Nathan Airchime K3L. Now this is a non-raised letter horn, and the K3L is basically like the K3LA, except it's one of the bells are different. And the K3L, it's set up on a low manifold. A lot of the LAs are like that too. But the K3L, it uses bells 1, 2, and a straight 3 bell, where a K3LA uses a 4A bell, and the same as a K3HA. And I've got a few videos on my channel of a K3HA. I just recently moved to another K3HA Union Pacific, and they all kind of sound about the same. Some of the 4As are dominant, and some of them are quiet. This is a narrow font horn. It is a square tag. I'll get you a little close up here. Get my coffee out of the way there. Gotta have that in the mornings. The best of my knowledge, from what I've figured out, this is off of Burlington and Northern locomotive. It's a late 1990s, early 2000s. You know, and I do all my horns the same way. I don't replace nothing unless it's broke. I take it apart, we give it a good wipe down and a good clean, and we put it back together. I might put a little wax on to keep the factory paint, the railroad paint, kind of clean and shiny, but well, I like them just how they are with the original railroad paint. I'm just not a big fan of repainting horns or stripping them. I think it loses their value. You know, and then this was a paint sealed horn, and I had to bust the paint to get in, you know, and that's always a hard thing to do, especially if you got a good horn and it sounds good. You never want to take one apart if it sounds good, but still yet I like to clean them up and make sure the diaphragm doesn't have any, you know, divots in them or cracks or busted. There's your little raised ghost circles. Then we'll go back and you can see your 1 bell, your 2 bell, and your straight 3 bell. Now I've got a few videos of this K3L up on my channel, you know, just different static tests and some run-bys. I've never done one up close since I got the horn brand new. Well, not brand new, recently acquired it a couple years ago. So I just wanted to do a little in-depth up close with it. Alright guys, that about wraps that up. I'm going to add a few other videos after this one goes off. We'll have some in-cab footage, and then we'll do a good run-by scene. And I really let it rip for everything it had, because my rig, as some of you know, has got a pretty endless amount of air supply. So with a K3 on that much air, it's a whole lot of fun. Now, I don't know if all the people around likes it that much, but I think it's a lot of fun. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like button. If you ain't hit that little bell, go ahead.